Hey guys, welcome to showing my toys. Toys I got from Walmart, part 2. And I'm going to be showing you the Jaguar baby. Let's get started. Here's the Jaguar, so cute. Oh, he's so adorable. I mean, look at his cute face. He's so cute. That's adorable. He looks so cute, and his paw. The way he's, yeah. Let me focus on him. Focus. 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 Why are you not focusing? Oh, whatever. So cute. I think I love him. He's so cute. I'm gonna start on the accessories. This sticker. Animal, stop it! Sorry, my dog just moved my tripod. Yeah, look at the baby Jaguar is wearing glasses. So cute. Kite, and there is his mom. Surprise, right there. I have these accessories. This cute little sun. Focus. Focus. Come on. Ugh, not focusing. It's a little smile on it. Animal, stop it. Then have a rainbow. With clouds at the end of it. Not focusing. Then here's a little scene. Then I'm going to get started opening the next package. Yay! Oh yeah, this was the scene. Looks like what it came with.
Who just said that? Where did that come from?
Where is my bag? Oh, there it is. Alright. I have Cheerilee right here. Cheerilee. I'm going to be opening her up. Everyone move out of the way. You move. Jeez. I just lost the rainbow. Sorry. It'll be a little rainbow cookie. Get started opening her. Yay. I have to look in the camera because I'm right. I'm right behind it. Wow, you're so easy. What's wrong with the ears? Come on, ears. Thank you. Oh, she's so beautiful and pink. Finally got the same pony as my friend